Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see it, press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the other option, and after you find it, tap on it to enter. Here tap on system settings and then tap on date and time. And right here we can change the date and time settings, but before that we need to turn off the automatic date and time if you want to change something manually. So tap on the switch to turn it off, and then you can scroll down and we have set date and set time. First let's tap on the set date. And here we can change the date by swiping up and down on the months, then days, and then the year. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. Next we have the set time option, and again we can change the hour, minutes, and once you're done you can tap on the check mark. We can also change the time zone. To do it, first you need to turn off the automatic time zone, then you can tap on set time zone and select the time zone you like from the list right here, and then you can go back. And once you're done changing your settings, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.